bamwe abeji abaye barimo na guild president wabo nibagira ngo abashomesa ishomerere nibabahereze bifubero ebyo ebyayanjire government kandi haruna abashomesa abaruko bashoshora omunganda.
The conditions that our college have continued ahead throughout, you can imagine corporal punishment, sexual harassment by some of the tutors, slapping of student teachers which is not in order according to our level.
Punishment like carrying logs from a certain area to bring them at the kitchen, and even when they bring them themselves, they force us to take them in the store.
Segregation and tribalism is also one of the problems and challenges we have been having. But on that point of segregation and that discrimination, it is not all much that it is just segregating between tribes. Maybe Banyakole Bachiga, Banyoro Batoro, Bakonjo are also left out. Those are the issues.
Bovamwe abeji bawishi abarukushomera itendekano rirumwe nibagira ngo bonka bishi bashanje oberemeza buhango hari abashomesa abarukubajema kubyama nabo kandi cya kitabireho kanga kubyama nawe Max ezibekorire nebanga kuzibahereza.
Sexual harassments on girls, whereby a tutor would come and ask for sex from a person, and if you refuse, you are told that you will not get marks for continuous assessment.
Bubakuru bihwegise abakegegwa nka district bazirengo baza kutaha omushonga zabeji bitu bagacemba bashaba okugaruka ahitendekero kushoma bitabo.
When you are classes, get your books, whether you are taught or not taught, be calm. Yes. You get that one? Yes. Nobody should provoke you, even the students who have remained there. What have they decided? They want to bring information, they begin now taking the other side.
Learn to say no and report those who are harassing you. Remember the purpose for which you are in St. Augustine. You are there to be trained to become teachers. Okay? Teachers who are not going to be locked up because they are teachers. What do we speak out of their mind? I request once again that as you go back, say nothing to those who have remained behind. Resume your classes.
We mukuru witendekerere otikirire agambere TV West ngo byone biri kugambwa abeji na munonga cyeka bifubero ebiti biriyo government ekabihaho kare.
Corporal punishment naho umwana ari kuterwa ninga bakamunosha ninga bakamusindika ninga bakamutera akashaje kukitwa mpati twubasa kuzihereza.
Ogo ayonjire yagerango cyabeji babana bubishiki yaza kugumizamo okukichondozaho.
Sexual harassment icyo nacyo ninza kukibuririza kandi kundashanga ngo namazima ubwo umuntu bari kutekateka ubwo mushomesa ubwo bari kutekateka ngo nateganisa abana kubashaba bakabateganisa kabaturutuza n'untuza kumukora nko kwibiragiro byihanga biri kugamba.
Nobebyo nabyagambwa St. Augustine okuchonoza nkorekango ognomurundu gwayo gukubanza okutaho akesharingo kechikechi kwihomwaka 19 nshaje amakoraga gasha kwa Dan Basibi.